Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple text stroke effect right in Adobe After Effects. It's going to be one of the easiest one you've seen, so let's dive right in with the tutorial. Right here as you can see guys, I'm inside of After Effects already, so we're going to start by creating a new composition right there. We're going to choose the default height of 1920 by 1080 square pixels, and we're going to go for a 10 seconds duration. Okay, now we're going to make sure we create a white composition so that we can see our text. Now we're going to click on OK, and now you can see the composition right here. Next thing we're simply going to do is that we're going to add a text. So we're going to right click, say new, say text, and it's going to show up right there in the middle of the screen. Now guys, we're simply going to add in the word text like this. Okay, text. Now once we click off that place and click on the text layer, you see that the anchor point is somewhere around here. If I zoom in, you see that the anchor point it's around this place here. As you can see, that's the anchor point. The circle with the plus sign inside, that's what you call the anchor point. And the anchor point is somewhere at the left side. We want it to be here at the middle. So the next thing we can do is that we're going to go up the layer here. We're going to say transform in this layer panel, and we're going to say center anchor point to layer content. Okay, and we're going to center it to this layer content. Okay guys, now once we've centered it to that place, now we simply need to move this to somewhere in the middle of the screen so that we can see what we're doing. As you can see guys, that's it. The next thing we're simply going to do is that right here in the timeline, right click on your text layer, create, and go to create shapes from text. And now you've officially created a shape from the text. As you can see, Adobe After Effects creates another shape layer for you and hides your default text layer. And when you open up this, you're going to see two parts which says content and transform, and you can see content under the content. You're going to see the letters you type. So if you type in 10 letters, you're going to see them right here. If you type in 15, you're going to see them right here. As you can see, we have text. And now we can open the properties of one of these, and you can see that the fill is still checked. We don't want the fill. All we want is a stroke. So we can select stroke right here and close the fill. And now you can see there's a stroke right there. But now we need to set a default width and height for this stroke. So now we're simply going to open up this stroke property, and we're going to change this, let's say, to 4, so that it becomes a little bit thick. Okay guys, now I'm simply going to do this for all of them, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to come back once we've done that. So guys, as you can see, I've successfully completed turning off the fill properties of each of these text layers, and I've turned on the stroke property and set a width of 4. As you can see right there on the screen, we have this as a stroke. And now to prove that this is actually a stroke, not still a text layer, what we're simply going to do is that we're going to import an image into this sequence, and we're going to use that. So now I'm going to double click on this side right here and choose an image from where I downloaded most of them. Now we're going to import that image right there, and we're going to simply place this underneath everything. And as you can see, the text shows up in the front of the image, which means that this text is actually transparent on the inside and it only has a stroke. Now finally guys, we're simply going to animate this text so you get that kind of effect that I showed you in the first place. Now the next thing we're simply going to do is that right here we're going to open up these text outlines. We're going to click on add, and now we're going to choose the trim paths option. And now you see the effect right here. So we can simply open the trim path properties, and now we're going to create an animation for the start, but this time we want it to be at 100. Okay, so we're going to increase it to 100, and now let's say at 2 seconds or 1.5 seconds duration, we're simply going to reduce this back to 100. Okay guys, and as you can see, there are other multiple shapes you can go simultaneously or individually if you want this to happen to the text individually, but now we're going to go simultaneously so that each of them happen at the instant. Okay, it happens at the same time. And also you can click on the graph property right there, and once you click on the graph property right here, you can set the duration and the slope of your animation guys. If you click on it right there, as you can see, now we can highlight everything like this, select everything, and we can click on the Bezier tool right here to ease all this animation like this guys. You can simply drag, reduce all these based on what you want guys. But now let's see what we've done so far with the text. Now we can simply go back and play this from the beginning, and you're going to see something like this guys. You're going to get a simple text effect just like this, and that's how easy you can create a text stroke effect right in Adobe After Effects. If this video was helpful for you guys, make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to share this video with a friend. And also, if you know this project file, I've dropped the link down in the description below where you can download this project file and practice on your own. So guys, that's it. Peace out.